Now we will create a second sketch on the front plane. So let's go on the front plane and let's create a sketch. Let's go normal 2. Now let's choose a rectangle. Now let's choose a corner rectangle. So let's start from this corner here. And let's go to this corner here. Like this. And let's make this rectangle for construction. Let's click OK. Now let's go to sketch picture. And let's insert picture 2. Let's go normal 2. Now let's uncheck enable scale tool. We don't need this scale. Now let's make this picture smaller. Like this. Let's zoom in. Now if we put our picture here, we don't see anything because of the feature 1. Now let's click OK. Let's exit sketch. Let's go to Boss Extrude 1 and let's hide it. Like this. Now let's go to sketch 2 again. Edit sketch. Let's open this sketch and let's double click on the sketch picture 2. Like this. Now we can drag this picture here. Now let's try to position this picture inside of this rectangle. Like this, we have to rotate a little bit. So let's go with -1 degree, like this. And I think this is good enough. So it doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but we will try to make it accurate as possible. And now let's click OK. And now we're going to try to create a sketch following the contour of this model. So let's go to the line. Let's start here. And let's follow this contour. Let's go along the center line to here. Like this. And let's finish here. Like this. Let's click OK. Now we can define some relations. So let's go with this point and this point. Let's make it vertical. Let's go with this point and this point and let's make it vertical again. Let's go with this point here and the origin and let's make it horizontal. Now let's make this line and this line. Let's make them vertical. Like this. Let's click OK. And now let's make this point and the origin horizontal. Like this as well. Let's make this line and this line equal. Let's go here. Let's make this line and this line here. Let's make it equal. And let's go with this line and this line here and let's make it equal. Like this. And now we can go to Smart Dimension. Let's first make here a dimension. Let's go with 4 millimeters. Like this. Actually, let's go to 4.5. Like this. This is more accurate. Let's go here. Let's put here a dimension. Let's make it 5 millimeters. Like this. And now we won't put here dimensions. We're going to click OK. We're going to exit sketch. And we're going to go to Boss Extrude 1 and we're going to click Show. Like this. And now we're going to go to Sketch 2 again. Edit Sketch. Let's go normal 2. And now we're going to make this line here and this line here collinear. Like this. And this line here. This edge here. Collinear. Like this. And let's go with this line here and this edge here. We're gonna make collinear again. And let's make this point and this point here vertical. like this. Now we have to only put a dimension here. Let's go to Smart Dimensions, and let's make this 7 millimeters. Like this. Let's click OK. Now we can go to Features. We can go to Extruded Cut. Let's go with Through All Both. But now if we leave like this, we're gonna cut the material inside the contour. We wanna go with Flip Side to Cut. So we wanna cut those parts here. This one, and this one, and this one here. Let's click OK. And this is our second feature. Now if we go here to Feature Manager Design Tree, we can open this, we have Sketch 2, and here we have Sketch Picture 2. So now we use two sketch pictures to create this model.